Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the review of the new foundation by Sleek Makeup. So I actually filmed 2 videos. I filmed the in-depth review of the foundation, and today I'm just going to be showing you what the foundation looks like on my skin, like more or less like a first impression, even though I've been wearing the foundation for a while. But the other video was actually an in-depth review. But yeah, before I move on with the review of the foundation, I did my eye makeup, which is, my favorite purple eye makeup as always. But yeah, now let's go straight into the review of the foundation. So the first thing I noticed straight out of the box was the fact that the packaging actually came with a pump. The foundation actually have a pump, and I love the fact that the foundation is, buildable, medium to full coverage, depending on how much pump you used. But for this look, I actually used one pump on each side of my face. I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply the foundation, but I use a face primer before applying the foundation. The foundation is very lightweight on my skin, and trust me, it looks so much like filtered. It looks so much like I filtered my face. But if you've been watching my video like for a while now, you know that I don't use filter in my videos. But even in real life, wearing the foundation, it just gives that flawless look to your skin, and very lightweight. And as I mentioned earlier, the coverage is also beautiful. Another thing I love about the foundation is the fact that it's not fully matte, and at the same time it gives a gorgeous glow to the skin, if that makes sense. And I also like the fact that the foundation, I wore the foundation for like 12 hours and it was still, everything was still in place, like intact, after a very long day. I was supposed to wear it for 8 hours, but I actually had a long day after I finished filming this video. So yeah, as you guys can tell, I actually used 2 pumps, one on each side. Look at that. It blends effortlessly into my skin, and it gives that, no makeup look. As you can tell, all the imperfection on that side of my face just disappeared. No editing on this bit at all, just one pump, guys, one pump. I used the rest of the one on my, on the back of my hand on the other side of my face. Look at that. Flawless, tick, gorgeousness, tick. And the coverage is amazing. If you want that your skin but better, this is definitely for you. And I also love the fact that there was no cakiness to my makeup, and every other product that I applied on top of the foundation were like, they blended seamlessly. Look at that. You can see the gorgeous glow on my skin, and the fact that everything is just looking so natural. So if you want a more coverage look, then you can actually go ahead and apply more of the foundation on that side that you want the full coverage. So I was just showing you guys what the foundation look on the other side and the side without foundation. So you guys should be the judge, but based on what I'm seeing right here, I can assure you that if you want that natural glow to your skin, or you want your skin but better, then this foundation is definitely for you. It's so lightweight on my skin that I'm just like, wow. But if you have a lot to cover, you'll definitely be needing like 4 pumps, 2 to 4 pumps, because for this entire look I use 2 pump, but you definitely double up if you want a full coverage. So yeah, I was just going for that natural glow look in this video. So yeah, another thing that I love about this foundation is the fact that there's no how do I put it, there's no cracks or hacks, or you know, sometimes some foundation, they act when you apply other products on them, you start seeing that streakiness in them. There's no such thing with this one. And the most important thing for me when it comes to my foundation is the fact that I don't like foundation that oxidize, and this one does not oxidize at all. So for me, it's just absolutely amazing. For a drugstore foundation, guys, it's a must have. I can actually compare this foundation to one of my high-end foundation by Dior. If you like that Dior foundation, trust me, you're gonna like this foundation. It's exactly the same feel on the skin, the same texture and the same finish, but for the price, it's a no-brainer. The price difference is just too much, trust me. But you will definitely, I would say like 80% similarity in both foundation. But as a drugstore foundation, this is just amazing. It's amazing. As you guys can tell, everything just blend in seamlessly with the foundation. I love the natural glow, and I also like the fact that you can actually get this foundation in the store, online, at Boots, so you don't have to like wait forever to get it. If you want it, you can just walk into bookstores or Superdrug, and yep. So yeah, I love the foundation. To finish the look, I applied my bronzer and you know, highlighter and all of this stuff. So yeah, you can actually stop with the foundation depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But I was going for you know, a minimum to full coverage gorgeous glow, if that makes sense. And you can see the glow on my skin. It's like coming from within. So yeah, I was feeling myself. I've been using the foundation every single day since I received it. By the way, I actually received this PR package from a PR company called Ogilvy. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna leave the details in description box below. So yeah, that's the finished look. Look at how everything blends in seamlessly, guys. It's giving that filtered look, but as you can tell, my pores are showing beneath the foundation, which is like an assurance that this is not filtered at all. I don't filter my videos. What you see is what you get. And in reality, the foundation actually looks better in real life as opposed to what I am seeing right here. The first time I wore this foundation, I received a lot of compliments. People say, "Oh my god, your skin looks so gorgeous," because I was not wearing any, you know, highlighter or anything like that. I just wore the foundation to give me that natural glow. So would I recommend this foundation? Absolutely, 100%. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.